Good morning or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. I'm going to talk about the future and how we express it. We use the future to talk about predictions. We use will to talk about something we think that will happen. I think he will or he'll arrive later. She will be a good mother. And we use be going to talk about something that is very near to happening or that we see is going to happen when we have evidence. Don't drive too fast. We are going to crash. We are going to crash. The doctor said I'm going to need surgery. For decisions, we use will for instant decisions. Decisions we take at the time of speaking. For example, we don't have any coffee. Don't worry, I'll buy some. I will buy some. We use be going to for decisions that we have already taken at the moment of speaking, in the form of intentions or plans. Why are you leaving? Because I'm going to meet my family. We often use the present continuous to talk about future events that are already planned or decided. And when we use the present continuous for arrangements, we always include when. At 10, this evening, next month, next year, in 2 weeks. For example, I'm seeing the doctor at 4. We are getting married next year. I'm flying to Cartagena tomorrow night. We can also use be going to for future arrangements. I'm going to watch a movie with Lucia later today. Future time clauses. When, as soon as, until, before, after. This is how we use them. We use the present simple to talk about the future in sentences with when and as soon as, until, before, and after. For example, I'll retire when I'm 70. I won't call you until tomorrow. I won't call you before tomorrow. We have other uses of will in the future for promises and refusals. I will help you move house. I won't drive tonight. And we also have future facts. The President will visit Villavicencio next month. This is a fact. For offers, we use I will in statements, but we use shall I for questions. I will help you carry those bags. I'll help you carry those bags. Shall I organize a meeting? Shall I call the boss? Then for suggestions, we can use shall we. Shall we try a different restaurant tonight? Requests, or when we ask someone to do something for us, we use will too. Will you open the door, please? Will you order for me, please? We also use may or might as a future form for possible actions in the future when we are not sure. So listen to these statements. I will be late for work. I'm sure of this. I might be late for work. It's possible, but I'm not really sure. I'm going to visit my family tomorrow. This is definite, I'm sure of it. I might visit my family tomorrow. I'm not really sure, it's possible. So we're using may or might for things that will possibly happen in the future. We are really not too sure about this. Similar to a prediction about something that we think perhaps will happen. The economy might be worse next year. Temperatures may go up next month. And we use may or might not for actions or for things that will possibly not happen. She looks very tired. She might not come with us. We may not have enough time to finish the presentation today. And that's how we use the different future forms. Thank you for listening once again. See you soon. Bye bye for now.